Hey, Seeger, and I'm working on another video for my AMP lecture class. This time I am talking about the way the body defends itself from different diseases and stuff like that. To start with, I am showing you an image of sap on a tree, which seems bizarre, um, since what the topic is. However, I think it's very relevant because if you know what sap is, which likely you do, it's a very viscous substance that leaks from the tree, and multiple types of trees, and things like bugs and dust and dirt and stuff like that get stuck into the sap. That is similar to mucus. Mucus, just like the sap that you see here, that lines the between the wood and the bark, lines the inside of the digestive tract and the respiratory tract, and its job is to catch microorganisms that are inhaled and stop them from getting to the sensitive areas of our respiratory and digestive tracts, like your lungs. The next topic is, and this isn't exactly accurate, but we will pretend like these little guys are lysozymes, uh, and that this is bacteria. And what these little guys do is, well, they're found in saliva and the lacrimal fluids of the eyes, where like the tears and all are, how they're found in the tears and stuff. And just like the mucus, they are found in the respiratory tract. Their job is to attack and break this lining of the bacteria to destroy and weaken the bacteria itself. The next part to talk about is the keratin, which is a part of the skin's epidermis. It is like a barrier or a suit of armor, if you will, that will stop different acids and bacteria enzymes from breaking into your system, wreaking havoc. The next part, and this is another possibly bizarre picture for the topic, but it is very relevant because this is a sea anemone and you see these starfish. Well, pretend like they are the cilia, which is which tends to be in the mucous membrane of the respiratory tract, which its job is to deliberately push away dust particles and stuff like that away from them getting into the lungs and stuff. They're going to push them back up to the throat to get them out of your system. That's another thing that it ends up getting inhaled in the air, is to stop it from affecting the respiratory system badly. And lastly is stomach acid, or the acid pH, because it's not just in the stomach. You hear it mostly about being in the stomach. However, we also have this type of acid in our skin, and it's also in the vagina. Uh, its job is specifically to block bacteria from growing in these areas, so that way our system can stay healthy.